Welcome to the 28th video of Bangkok Unmasked, the YouTube channel that helps you get the most out of your visit to Bangkok City. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to look at what to bring to Bangkok. Let's get started. So your flight is in a few hours and your suitcase is empty. You're asking yourself the question, what do I need to bring to Bangkok? The short answer is probably not what you expect. Nothing. Bangkok has everything you could possibly need, and a whole lot of stuff that you probably don't. As an aside, I've often wondered what backpackers are carrying in their mammoth rucksacks. I'm quite sure most of what they're carrying is quite unnecessary. Whether you want mosquito repellent or a pair of sneakers, Bangkok has you covered. You can also find every type of food, from an Italian pizza, every bit as good as you'll find in Rome, through to McDonald's, if you need a Big Mac meal in familiar surroundings. With this said, some things are easier to find or cheaper to buy at home. Besides the typical packing list, i.e. socks, underwear, cell phone, camera, and obviously a passport, what follows are some insider tips on what to bring to Bangkok that you probably won't want to purchase here. Number 1, Moisturizer cream. It's not an exaggeration to say that literally all moisturizer creams, and even soap in Thailand, contain some sort of whitening agent. The Thai will go to great lengths to make their skin tone lighter, and if a product promises this, it will literally fly off the shelves. Here's the thing, I'm guessing that most visitors to Bangkok and Thailand don't want to make their skin lighter. A few years back, a friend's ex-girlfriend visited Bangkok to start off her round-the-world trip. She was extremely upset to discover that finding any moisturiser without skin whitening was quite impossible. First off, she was concerned about the chemicals in the products, and second, she wanted a tan. Bangkok does have the chains Boots and Watsons, both stock Western skincare products. I would though advise that you bring your preferred products with you though. Number 2, deodorants and soap. Most of the deodorants and soaps over here often contain quite different fragrances to what you'll find back home. Frankly, I don't like a lot of the popular Thai fragrances, so I always use Western brands, which cost at least double what they cost back home. Thailand is also hot. In April, crazy hot. If you don't want to smell like the back end of a buffalo, you'll need to use lots of deodorant and soap. Thai people are very sensitive to body odour, and you don't want people treating you like a leper due to your BO. Number 3, sunscreen. Sunscreen is absolutely available here. That said, the brands that you trust probably aren't, or they're extremely difficult to find. Like most imported products, you'll pay a lot more for them than you will back at home. Number 4, condoms. For any single man, you'll almost certainly need an ample supply of condoms. All convenience stores in Bangkok sell them. However, their quality can be unreliable. If you're sleeping with commercial sex workers, the last thing you want is broken condoms, as an STD will really ruin your holiday. One other note, Thai condoms are way too tight for well-endowed men. Number 5, tampons. As a man, obviously, I'm not overly familiar with tampons. That said, female friends have complained bitterly about how tampons are hard to find, ridiculously expensive, and of the OB self-applicator variety. Trust me, bring your own supply if you can. Number 6, XL size clothing. One of the first things you'll notice about the Thai is that they're generally pretty small and svelte. This applies to both men and women. You can find life-size clothing in places that cater to tourists, like JJ Market and Patpong Market. However, my guess is that most people will not want to spend their time looking for clothing that will fit them. If you're a big guy or girl, bring a reasonable supply of clothing. Note, if you go to the major Western department stores, like Siam Paragon and Central World, you'll find a good supply of clothing, in Western sizes. Thailand's import tariffs are about 60% for most clothing, so you probably won't like the prices one bit. Most clothing I like from back home is generally double the price of what I pay in retail stores in the UK. Number 7, English language magazines and books. Like pretty much everything, these are available in Bangkok. The prices are just plain silly though, due to import tariffs again. Also, the selection of most bookstores is not great, unless you go to one of the small number of specialist bookstores, like Kinokuniya or Asia Books. I'd bring a couple of books with you, and any magazines that you want to read with you. Number 8, electronics. Bangkok used to be a great place for buying electronics. Not anymore. The prices are very high due to import tariffs and the crippling US dollar British pounds exchange rate. If you can, I'd bring all the key electronic items that you need with you, like camera, laptop, cell phone, etc. For me, I like to travel as light as possible. My packing list would contain the essential items. Number 1, foldable bag for shopping. Number 2, travel wallet. Number 3, camera with extra memory cards. Number 4, cell phone. Number 5, laptop. Number 6, plenty of home currency and cash to exchange into Thai baht when I arrive in Bangkok. Number 7, obviously, your passport. Number 8, power bank. Number 9, a power plug travel adapter. Number 10, sunglasses. Number 11, a hat. Number 12, swimming trunks. Number 13, comfortable sneakers. Number 14, a few sets of light and comfortable clothing. Number 15, sunscreen. Number 16, charcoal tablets. Number 17, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste and shaving kit. Number 18, hand sanitizer. And finally number 19, a Leatherman Wingman. This is an amazing tool. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that it helps answer all your questions about what to bring to Bangkok. Expect a new video shortly. It should be posted in about a week or so. For all you techies out there, this video is shot in a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and edited using HereFilm Express. Finally, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel through the button below. Also, if you think that I've missed anything important on what to bring to Bangkok, please do tell me in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.